What is a two-legged pullback? In this video, we're going to look at an example of a bearish two-legged pullback. So this is GBP AUD, the pound Australian dollar chart, the daily chart. So we have a trading range there, and then the trading range breaks into a very strong, what we would call a bear breakout. And after the bearish breakout, even though it's a little bit extended, and particularly for when it's extended, the two-legged pullback back to the two moving averages, the 10 EMA and the 20, it's very powerful. And the way to see a two-legged pullback is that once you want to see the breakout phase, you need to see the minimum requirement of a pullback. So as soon as this candle breaks the high of this, you have at least one printed up there, which is the minimum requirement. So it breaks the high and it's a bullish candle. That's your one. So pullback has started. Then the market starts to resume, breaking the low of this candle or even this candle. As soon as it breaks the low of this candle, and specifically this one is inside candle, so we will leave it. As soon as it breaks the low of this and closes, you have your second low. So that's your L1 and that's your L2. And so you have your L1, you have your high one, and you have your low 2. Now all you need is a new high, and for that H2 you would want it to break the high of this. And as soon as this candle is printed, you have your high 2 here, and then at the end of this candle your high 2 will be there, and that's your two-legged pullback complete. And now, in order to take your entry, if you liked this signal, in this case it's a bullish candle, but it's a trading range candle. As you can see, it's kind of a doji. It's not perfectly a doji, but it's a trading range. So this is a trend, a bullish TC, a trend candle. This is a normal bullish candle. This is a bearish trend candle. This is a bearish trend candle. This is a bearish trend candle. But in this case, it's a trading range candle. So it can be taken based on that. But the best thing is to wait for a confirmation candle. CC stands for confirmation candle. You can see that this is a bearish candle. The low is towards the low, and it's broken the low of this candle. So at the end of this candle, because it's a daily chart, you'd go short here with stop loss above the high over here or up there, and then you're going to let it run. So that is the example of a bearish two-legged pullback with a confirmation candle, and how to get in on a confirmation candle.